WordPress is a popular content management system (CMS) that is widely used for building websites and online businesses. It is an open-source platform that is free to use, and it offers a wide range of features and functionality that make it a great choice for businesses of all sizes. One of the main benefits of using WordPress for online business is its ease of use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, and it is easy to set up and customize. This makes it ideal for businesses that want to create a website without the need for extensive technical expertise. Additionally, WordPress is highly customizable, so businesses can make their website look and feel exactly the way they want it to. Another benefit of using WordPress for online business is its flexibility. The platform can be used to create a wide range of different types of websites, including e-commerce sites, blogs, portfolios, and more. Additionally, there are thousands of plugins and themes available that can be used to add extra functionality and design to a website. This means that businesses can create a website that is tailored to their specific needs. WordPress also offers a wide range of e-commerce features that make it a great choice for businesses that want to sell products or services online. There are several popular e-commerce plugins available, such as WooCommerce, that can be used to add shopping cart and checkout functionality to a website. Additionally, businesses can easily track and manage orders, inventory, and customer information using these plugins. One of the main advantages of using WordPress for online business is its SEO-friendly nature. WordPress is designed to be search engine friendly and is optimized for fast loading times. This makes it easy for businesses to improve their visibility on search engines and drive more traffic to their website. Additionally, there are many SEO plugins available that can be used to further optimize a website and improve its search engine rankings. WordPress also offers a wide range of security features to help protect online businesses from cyber attacks. The platform is regularly updated to fix any security vulnerabilities, and there are many security plugins available that can be used to add extra protection to a website. Additionally, businesses can use secure hosting providers to ensure that their website is always protected against potential threats. Finally, WordPress is a cost-effective solution for online businesses. As an open-source platform, it is free to use, and businesses can also benefit from the wide range of free plugins and themes available. Additionally, businesses can save money on website development costs by using WordPress, as it is easy to set up and customize without the need for expensive web development services. In conclusion, WordPress is a powerful, flexible, and cost-effective content management system (CMS) that is well suited for online businesses of all sizes. Its ease of use, flexibility, and range of features make it an ideal platform for creating and managing websites and online stores. Additionally, its SEO-friendly nature, security features, and cost-effectiveness make it a great choice for online businesses that want to improve their visibility and drive more traffic to their website.